Robotics IQX. Artificial intelligence is moving at an extraordinary pace, and with each new iteration, we are getting closer to truly transformative technology. ChatGPT 5 is the next big leap, promising to revolutionize how we interact with AI in ways we've never seen before. In this video, we'll explore what ChatGPT 5 is, the new features it brings to the table, and how it will impact industries and everyday users alike. Let's take a quick look back at the history of generative pre-trained transformer models. It all started with GPT-1, an experiment in natural language understanding. Each version improved the AI's ability to generate human-like text, with GPT-3 making headlines worldwide for its impressive language abilities. GPT-4 took things further, with better contextual understanding, more nuanced conversations, and support for longer texts. Now, OpenAI is preparing to release ChatGPT 5, which promises to take AI language models to an entirely new level. So, what can we expect from ChatGPT 5? For starters, improvements in context retention and conversational flow. While GPT-4 is impressive, it still sometimes struggles with longer conversations, losing track of earlier points. ChatGPT 5 will have enhanced memory, allowing it to remember details across much longer conversations. Additionally, it's likely to be trained on even more diverse data, enabling better multilingual support and a deeper understanding of cultural and social nuances. This will make ChatGPT 5 a more effective communication tool for global users, bridging language barriers. Another expected improvement is a greater capacity to handle complex queries. Whether it's advanced problem solving, creating more accurate and detailed content, or producing creative works like music, art, and fiction, ChatGPT 5 aims to blur the line between human creativity and AI. The applications of ChatGPT 5 could be nothing short of revolutionary. Its potential extends far beyond casual conversations or content creation. In healthcare, it could assist doctors in making accurate diagnoses or suggest treatments based on the latest research. Businesses could use it for data analysis, predicting market trends, and automating workflows. The education sector is also poised to benefit. Imagine AI tutors that can personalize learning to each student's pace and understanding, making education more accessible and effective. With deeper integration into daily tasks, ChatGPT 5 could change the way we work, learn, and interact with technology. As with any powerful technology, ChatGPT 5 comes with its own set of ethical considerations. One of the most important questions is how to balance innovation with responsible AI usage. OpenAI will need to address concerns surrounding data privacy, misinformation, and bias in AI-generated content. Furthermore, the potential impact of AI on jobs and industries raises concerns about how we manage these transitions in the workforce. While no official release date has been confirmed yet, industry insiders speculate that ChatGPT 5 could be released sometime in fall 2024. With OpenAI continuing to refine the model and ensure it meets the highest standards, it's only a matter of time before we see the next leap in AI conversation. ChatGPT 5 promises to redefine our relationship with artificial intelligence. Whether it's improving how we communicate, boosting productivity, or pushing the boundaries of creativity, this next generation AI model could reshape our future. What are you most excited about with ChatGPT 5? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates as we track the latest in AI developments.